I want to address the number 4 costly mistake that cleaning business owners make. And for me, I think it is not doing quality assurance. When you get started, often it is just us who do it. You do the cleaning, you know how the cleaning should be done, and it is very easier for you. So sometimes you don't worry about it, but it becomes tricky when you start when you have staff or you have subcontractors, and you just assume that you're doing a good job. You don't show up to the client's place. You don't contact the client. You're not constantly engaging the client. And one day the client just gets frustrated because they've just seen this issue come up so many times, and they are also tired of just being the one to complain and then you respond, right? So not doing quality assurance is perhaps, there's those that think that quality assurance is even more important than marketing, and not doing quality assurance is perhaps the surest way that you can lose a client. And the thing about not doing quality assurance is that when you don't often visit the client's location, you really don't know what the client is looking for. And you give the room for other cleaning companies to come and speak to their need. For example, if you have a client that when you do quality assurance, you realize that the snow coming in is an issue because they don't have mats and stuff like that. That is an opportunity to either upsell to the client or just advise them, educate them on some of the ways that they can curb the snow from coming in, because it is making the floors look bad after you guys have cleaned the floor, right? So I think the number 4 costly mistake that cleaning business owners make is not doing quality assurance. And one way that you don't need to have such a crazy system, right? Yes, you can get a janitorial software manager that allows you to do quality assurance in a way that is involves technology. But the other thing is that, for example, for those of you that have subcontractors, be the manager. Go there after they clean in the morning. So for example, if they clean Tuesday night, go there Wednesday morning. You don't have to do it for every time they clean, but at least once or twice. Talk to the point of contact for the client. Ask them what you can do to improve. Maybe they just want to give you a compliment, but the fact that they see your face is a reassurance to them. It tells them that you are very invested in your cleaning business. It tells them that you care. And it tells them that whatever the promises that you gave to them, you are willing to follow through to it. So don't make this mistake. I've made it. It cost me, right? I've said it in other videos. You can check it out. I believe you put the link over there. But don't make this mistake. And make sure that you check in on your staff, your clients all the time. I hope this was helpful. Follow us. The links are in our description on all our platforms to get these value resources that we are giving you. Thank you, and see you around.